we divide 166 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal. So it is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 166 divided by 5 is 332. So this much for today and thanks for watching.